Hi, this is Sarah from World 7 Ninths. Today, we are going to learn about banks in Australia. We are going to learn about how to open a bank account. But first, let's have a look at few of the key terms. Bank teller. A person working behind the counter, handling transactions. Account. Put or take out money from a bank account. Check. Write a check instead of paying cash. Debit card. Pay for things or withdraw cash with a debit card. ATM. Withdraw money from an ATM with the debit card. PIN. Enter your 4-digit PIN to use your debit card. Let's practice. Now, let's open a bank account.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I want to open an account.
Sure, when did you arrive in Australia?
3 days ago.
Okay. Then I only need your passport. Did you bring it with you?
Yes, I did.
Great. Are you a full-time tertiary student?
I study full-time at a TAFE.
Good. Then you can open an everyday account with student options rather than a savings account.
What are the differences?
Well, everyday accounts do not give you any interest, but you may have optional checkbook and overdraft facilities. As a full-time student, with an everyday account, there are no monthly account fees, withdrawal fees, or no monthly minimum balance. But if you have a lot of money, open a savings account to earn some interest.
I only need an account to pay my rent and living expenses. What do you suggest?
Then you should open an everyday account.
Okay.
Could you just fill out this application for a fee waiver and show me some confirmation of enrollment?
Here it is.
Where do you want to receive your bank statements and debit card?
My homestay address. I'll write down for you.
Great. Now, please choose and enter a 4-digit PIN for your account. Don't share this PIN with anyone.
Okay. I won't.
Your debit card will be delivered to your address in about a week. You need to activate your card either via phone or come to us. The instructions will be provided with the card, so don't worry.
So, I cannot use the account for a week?
I will give you this document that contains your bank details, like BSB number, account number, SWIFT code and so forth. Until you receive your debit card, you may make transactions at our bank's branches with your bank details and ID, but you won't be able to make any AFTPOS transactions.
Okay.
Are you going to make any deposit?
Yes. Here is my money. $1,500.
I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Okay. Here's your receipt. Try to use our ATMs when you make transactions, because if you use other banks' ATMs, you'll be charged withdrawal fees.
I didn't know that. Thank you. And if I have a debit card, I don't need to withdraw cash to buy things, correct?
Yes. And I've opened a student account for you, so you can use AFTPOS transactions for free.
Thank you.
Now, do you also need internet banking?
It's okay. Maybe later.
If you change your mind, don't hesitate to come in and get help setting your internet banking up. Thank you for coming to our bank. We appreciate your business.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Application forms usually look like this. It's really simple. In general, you only need to fill out your personal information. And the banker will ask you a couple of questions and fill out the rest for you. Now, choose whether or not you are the sole account holder. If you are opening the account for yourself, you do not need to fill out applicant 2 part. First, choose your title. Fill out given name and family name. Select your gender. Write your nationality. And your address in Australia. Next, if they ask you whether you are a resident of Australia, answer no. Provide your mobile phone number and/or home phone number. Fill out your email address and occupation. If you already have a tax file number, provide one. If not, tell the banker that you will visit later to update the information. Lastly, sign the form and you are done. That's all for today's lesson. See you next time.